There's no turning back now, boys. Gotta go with the other one. I hate this. All these nose hairs. If only there was something I could use. Maybe this? I guess it's that time again, huh? Welcome back to another quick video, guys. So my nose hairs have been absolutely killing me, and I do this about once every 2 months, maybe 3 months. I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. Stay tuned. If you guys have never done this before, don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have done it before, don't forget to do the same thing, okay? Because it helps the algorithm. All right. Inside this pack, you have a little water cup. You have your wax things. You have these little things that the wax go on. And then if you have a mustache, you got these fancy little mustache things. So here's how I do it. And I know you can't see this very well, but I'm gonna take this little measuring thing, and I just fill it up about halfway with water. Like so. Then you have this little cup, and you take your wax, and you pour your wax in there. The instructions for whatever kit that you get will tell you exactly how much to use. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Like so. Then you take your wax, just like so, set it in the cup, and then you put it in the microwave. It says, add 5 grams of wax in a paper cup, 20 milliliters of water, microwave 60 to 90 seconds. Sometimes it takes me longer, but you want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Anyway, I'll be right back to this torture. Just kidding, it's not that bad. Now that your wax has went full nuclear, we gotta stir it around, okay? It's hot, but so we'll get 2 of these little bad boy things out. Somebody I just know is gonna say, don't say bad boy, this is the bad boys. All right. Let's see here. How's it look? Look pretty good? Oh, okay. Throw this little guy away. Get 2 of these things. Whew, that don't stick to. It's okay. All right, 2 of these things. Get your nuclear wax. Stir it around, cause probably still have little pellets. Just stir them to get them warm. See, I'm leaving that in there because it's pretty hot. So just want to stir it around. In my opinion, this is what I would do. This is what I've done. So if you've never done this before, it's not as bad as everybody makes it seem. Yeah. So just gonna get a good chunk, right? And just gonna put the other one in there, and then let's see what drip. And there it is. There's no turning back now, boys. Gotta go with the other one. You don't want to have one nostril with nose hair in it. So we got to go with the other one. Do the same thing. All right, boys and girls. I mean, you know, it's. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, we are not going to use that much. We're gonna put about that on there. Okay, and it's gonna go. Straight up in there. Oh. One thing. Listen. One thing about this is you better be a good mouth breather, okay? Because it was really weird, alright? How about you just let it sit? Oh, oh, oh. Sorry, I was starting to choke or gag. It's not that bad. It's mostly because I'm talking to you guys. Normally, it's not that bad, but as you can see, listen, I don't know if you want to see this or not, so, you know, but it's not terrible, you know? It's, hold on, let me get the little mustache out of the way. Let's get that out. Oh, that's why I use a mustache, but it missed some, so that's why you must use the mustache. Okay, right there. And these nose hairs are pretty long. Like, they're longer than you think that they are. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna just come in slowly. Maybe you can see all of them in all of their glory. Hopefully, because I'm not doing this again. Not for 3 more months, okay? 2 more months, something like that. Alright, but anyway, if you guys want to try this, I'll put a link to this in the description below, but I like to be able to breathe, so I do this from time to time. It really annoys me, like the nose hairs that come out, you know. I don't like it, you know. I think there's a reason for nose hairs, but it's not to annoy me, so I'm just going to get rid of them. And if you like that thing, I love it. I just got it. I'll put a link to it in the description below, but I think it's so funny. Look at it. It's a kitten riding a T-Rex, okay? Sometimes you have to do it twice. I didn't get it all the first time. Which is okay. It's still warm. So just stick a little bit on there. So this one is for the, I guess, top right here underneath. So I'm going to angle it and go up. I have a spider web of wax on my fingers. Anyways, that's what I'm doing, and I'm not using the little mustache thing because I'm not getting the middle. Probably should. That's a lot better. That's a lot better. So now we wait, okay? Now we wait. So we can pour our water out now, because I'm not doing this a third time. I ain't doing it. I'm just going to set up my counter right now. And we'll go away in a minute. Okay? Please don't get my mustache. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to do this over here where you get a view. So wait a minute. It's also good to try to hold your nose still, even though it feels really weird if you've never done it before. Also, I'm not a professional. I just bought a home kit. I'm doing it myself because I don't like nose hairs. I like the way they make my nose itchy all the time. So, we're doing this. I like it. You ready? Oh, I got one? Okay. I got more on this one. So maybe the other one was pretty clean. Anyway, it don't hurt that bad. It's not that bad. The worst part to me is having to try to talk. Sorry, there's wax everywhere. Having to try to talk through your nose. I'm not sorry. Talk through your nose. Yeah. Trying to talk through your mouth or breathe through your mouth with your nose completely clogged. Get ready for that hot date, you know what I mean? Now let's throw this away. We're done. Done. Done, I tell you. Anyway, hope you guys like this. Hope you like this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below, and let you know let me know what you think